Hey gang, it's Spence from LaunchFlows.com. It's Wednesday afternoon. I wanted to show you a little project I'm working on that is a real world use case of one of the new features of LaunchFlows that I think is really handy. We upgraded the ability for you to save cookies to include a zip code. And this is being used in one of our new clients here that allows us to use it to filter out whether somebody's part of the local delivery zip code or whether they're part of a nationwide. And I gave a video on this a few days ago. I wanted to show you how it wrapped up. We're almost done with this. Basically, we are using Elementor, LaunchFlows. There's going to be automation with WP Fusion, of course, but this is really just Elementor and LaunchFlows and a cookie, along with a little free script that I gave to allow you to make a list of zip codes. And here's how it works out. When you take this site, and don't go to this yet, this is the test site. By the time you get to this, we'll be on the real domain and stuff, but I just wanted to show you. The first time you come here, I'm using Elementor to have a top section, and inside it, I've got a form that lets us put in a zip code. Now, if I go ahead and add a zip code that I know is the local delivery, it's going to automatically set the cookie, and it's going to use the CSS of the script to hide that. At the same time, it redirects me to a custom shop page where you'll notice that the only items being shown are the ones that I can order locally. What's neat about this is that these act like regular WooCommerce products. In other words, it goes to the single product page, you can do the quantity, it sends them to the cart, and the checkout and everything is custom, but you can pick and choose anything you want. You'll notice at the top that it also sets the top bar with Elementor to be, you qualify for local delivery. Now, I've added a second ability inside of this so you can reset the zip code. Maybe you're doing a second order, maybe you messed up the zip code, whatever. So you can reset the zip code after you've been here. Now let's do a zip code that is not in the local zip delivery area. And look what's happened. The same shop page is now showing the boxes, the ones that are available for out-of-state deliveries, instead of the individual a la carte items. And you'll also notice at the top, it says you qualify for nationwide delivery. And from there, we've customized this out so that you can go ahead and add any particular choice of the various things to fill in from the shop, and even some other fun stuff here with the 3-pack pizza box. You know, we're able to still use some of the add-ons to display what choices are available for you to select to add into your box, and the rest of it goes to a regular, still working on it, but a custom checkout page with LaunchFlows. So this new feature is pretty much the update to our original set your lead cookie feature. And it's available on our LaunchFlows product. So if you go to LaunchFlows.com, you can learn more about the product, how it works with WooCommerce Elementor, and gives you a customized WooCommerce checkout experience with no design, no programming skills, no coding, nothing. And it also works with your marketing automation, your favorite LMS, and more. So if you're building an e-commerce shop, you're building a custom membership site, you're doing anything where you want to give the users a custom experience based upon what they tell you. You can do it before they register and log in, after they register and log in, and then follow up with them, all with this very simple stack. When you go to LaunchFlows, I also encourage you to check out this free webinar. It kind of goes through the 4 to 6 pieces you need, only 4 to 6 components to build an incredibly powerful modular system without relying on a million different things or building a Frankenstein monster. I'll see you guys on the next video.